Hey, what's up guys? My name is Harshal Mavani, and in this video we take a look at a few miscellaneous errors, namely two, that is stack overflow error and out of memory error. Now the stack overflow error and the out of memory error, as the name suggests, are related to the stack memory and the heap memory. As usual, we'll try to complete both of these in 5 minutes. So let's get started. Now I have here with me a very simple program. Now this is recursive in nature, but let's see what's happening. So we have public static void main, and inside the main function I have nothing but again a call to the public static void main function with a blank string args parameter, as you can say. Now the problem is that this call will never terminate. We don't have a base condition. In terms of recursion, base condition is one wherein your loop breaks, wherein your recursive function stops. In this case we clearly don't have one. So let's try to visualize what will happen. So when I execute that particular program, I will have my stack memory in place, which is over here. I have my stack memory and I have my heap memory. Now on my stack memory, the functions which are executed start to appear. So first of all, we know that the main function is executed. So the main function space is reserved over here. Now inside the main function, we call the main function again, and hence we have another entry for the main function again. Again, we'll have the main function entry, so on and so forth. Because we don't have any terminating condition, this will go on. We can expect a condition where we will obviously run out of space, which is exactly our stack overflow error. Now, this is how the error looks like. So let me just run that program. I will have Java space stack error. And yeah, so I'll just scroll up and look, here it is, exception in thread main java lang stack overflow error. So this is the error. So primarily when you have an error like java lang stack overflow error, you have a bad recursive function, a recursive function which has not terminated and which will never terminate, as a result of which you're running out of the stack memory. Similarly, we also have the java.lang.out of memory error. Now this took a while for me because maybe my heap memory is more. So, but this is how I did it. Let's just have the code over here. So I created a linked list of dummy objects, the class we created a few videos back. Now in this linked list of dummy objects, what I've done is, while true, you continuously keep adding new dummy objects. So let's try and visualize what will happen over here. Now in this case, we'll again have our stack memory and our heap memory. The stack memory will be filled with only one entry, which is the main function. Now the main function has a while loop in which it has a linked list L. Now linked list will be assigned some space, that is the object will be created on the heap memory. Now this heap memory is where the problem is occurring. So on our heap memory, we are continuously adding dummy objects to this particular linked list, to this particular area. Now obviously at a point of time, we will consume all of this space, after which we will get the out of memory error, and this is how it looks like. So exception thread main java.lag.out of memory error, gc, which is your garbage collector overhead limit exceeded at heap error.main, which is trying to show you where did it occur. So two possible conditions to solve these two errors. First one, if you have a stack overflow error, you might want to revise all your recursive functions. And second, if you're having an out of memory error, then you might want to revise what kind of objects are you creating, and are you creating them in abundance. So that's all for this video, and well, look at that, we are very much inside the 5-minute mark. Well, thank you so much guys, keep watching.